Hello dear students, welcome back once again, and in this video what we are going to have answer key of revision test paper second and holiday homework, as I have already told you in the previous video, and I hope you all have done your test paper with full sincerity and honesty. Okay, now this time you can take the help of your parents to match these answers. Okay, and if you have done something wrong, some mistakes are there, you can correct your mistake. This is a kind of self evaluation. Okay, and we will discuss holiday homework. So first let's see your answer key. So here it is, your answer key. First, meanings are there of those words. Okay, these are the meanings, and second answer is choose the right answer. So answers are written here. You can match what you have written, and then rhyming words fried and raw. So if you have written on other words like no some other words of fried, here it is tried and pride, because in the chapter, in the poem, it is related to the poem only. We were supposed to find out the rhyming words from the poem. Okay, so it is better that you have written these words only. And now answer the following question, as the question was why did the bell of a tree ring less and less. So the answer is, whenever people of a tree thought of uh, doing something wrong, they changed their mind thinking of the sound of bell, so the bell rang less and less. Okay, then the answer is, next answer is, the soldier stopped feeding his horse because he thought the horse has gone old and he hardly rides on him. Okay, so dear student, this is the answer key of your revision test paper second. Now come to the holiday homework and listen to me very carefully how you are supposed to complete your work. This is a holiday homework. First, what you have to do, you have to complete 20 pages of your writing book. You are having two books. One book is thick one and one book is thin one. So you have to choose that thick book, that big book, and you have to complete your 20 pages with very beautiful handwriting. Next is your activity that is there in your book on page number 19. But this you have to do in your fair notebook. What you have to do here is, it is a statement, listen carefully. Today it is against the law to have wild animals like lions, tigers, zebras and hippopotamus in a circus. Okay, and why do you think this law was made? Write in your own words. You can write 5 points. Okay, why this law was made. Then what you have to do, another thing, that is design a poster in your English second copy to create awareness on the ban on wild animals in circuses. Okay, you can create a poster. You can take 2 pages in both front side pages. Okay, and you can make a poster on that. You want to page, if you want to paste something on that, means any chart paper you can paste, or if you want to draw on that pages of your notebook, you can draw there also. Okay, then what you have to do, you have to learn and write the meanings, word meanings of lesson number 1 and 2 in your fair notebook. And what you have to do, learn all the exercises and question answers of lesson number 1 and 2 and poem. Okay, so because we have completed till lesson number 2, so it is better for you to learn and revise and utilize these holidays. And this is a note, do this work in your English second copy, no need to make separate copy for holiday homework. I'm zooming it out, you just have a look at that. Okay, nobody is going to make a separate notebook. You all have to complete your work in your fair notebook. I hope you all have understood, and I wish that you all will be healthy and safe during your holidays. Okay, don't go out, stay at home, stay healthy, study well. Okay, and take care yourself. Thank you.